Hello learners, this is Dr. Sandeep Kumar Budhani, Associate Professor, School of Computing, Graphic Era, Hill University, Bhimtal campus. In this lecture, we will discuss about the digital consumers. The objective of this topic is to equip students with the knowledge and skill necessary to analyze and understand the behavior, preferences, and decision making patterns of digital consumers. We can summarize the objective in following points. What are digital consumers? To understand their types and behavior, to understand the factors influencing the digital decision making, to explore trends and strategies. In the last lecture, we discussed about the digital marketing strategies and reporting. First of all, we will discuss about what are digital consumers. Digital consumers are individuals who engage with businesses, brands, and services using digital platforms like website, social media, mobile apps, or e-commerce sites. They represent a shift from traditional consumers heavily influenced by technology, convenience, and accessibility. What are the key features of digital consumers? The key features can be summarized as the first one is tech savvy. They are familiar with digital devices and smartphones, laptops, or tablets. Online oriented, they prefer online shopping, streaming, or accessing services digitally. Third one is demand for personalization. They expect tailored recommendations, content, and experience. Next one is global reach. They are engaged with brands and platforms regardless of geographical location. Last one is social influence. They rely on online reviews, social media trends, and influencer recommendations. What are the different types of digital consumers? It can be summarized as the first one is e-commerce shoppers. Such consumers uses frequent online marketplaces for purchasing goods or services. Next one is digital content consumers. Such consumers uses streaming platforms, social media, and blogs for entertainment or education. Next one is mobile first users. Such consumers interact primarily through mobile devices. Last one is subscription based users. Such consumers use services like OTT platforms, for example, Netflix or cloud services. Tools to analyze the behavior. There are three types of things. The first one is Google Analytics is one of the important tools which can be used for tracking user activity. Tools like Brandwatch can be used to understand conversation and trends. Direct feedback through online surveys or forms is also an important tool for the same purpose. The shift to digital. A brief history about this. Dear learners, to understand the transformation or shifting of traditional system to digital technology can be described using following key milestones. First one is 1990s. This period can be understood as an emergence of e-commerce. 2000, this period can be defined as a rise of social media. 2010, this period can be defined as mobile first era. And the last one is 2020s. This era is known as an artificial intelligence era. The transition from traditional system to digital technology has been a transformative process that has reshaped industries, lifestyle, and the global economy. Now we will discuss the current trends in the digital age. The first one is artificial intelligence and automation. In this era, AI technologies are being used everywhere, and machine learning enables predictive analytics and smart decision making. Second one is 5G connectivity. In this digital age, high-speed network facilitate real-time communication, streaming, and remote work. Digital transformation across the industries. If we talk about the education, e-learning platforms have replaced traditional classroom during the pandemic. Healthcare, telemedicine and wearable devices transformed patient care. Digital transformation took place in retail field also. E-commerce platforms integrate with augmented reality and immersive shopping experiences. Last one is, other than this, many other technologies are also there which are very important in this digital age, like blockchain enables secure, transparent digital transactions. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin challenge traditional financial systems. Now we will discuss the generational preferences and digital behavior. Digital behavior varies significantly among different generations. This is influenced by the technologies prevalent during their formative years, their adaptability to innovations and lifestyle preferences. Understanding these differences is essential for marketing, education, and user experience design. Those born between 1946 and 1964 are called as boomers. Boomers experienced the rise of television, print media, and early personal computer systems. They tend to favor more traditional and structured method of communication. Second is, those born between 1981 and 1996 are known as millennials. They grew up during the digital revolution, experiencing the advent of internet, smartphone, and social media. They are known for being adaptable to new technology. Those born between 1997 and 2024 are called as Gen Z. These are the digital natives who grew up with smartphone, instant messaging, and streaming platforms. Now we will discuss about the digital behavior by generations. Boomers basically prefer the devices like desktop, computer, and laptops. Email is the primary mode for professional and personal communication of boomers. They tend to use Facebook for staying connected with family and friends. Millennials basically prefer the devices like smartphones. They use the Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn as communication tools. Millennial uses the WhatsApp and Facebook messengers as a messaging tool. Tech-savvy prioritize convenience and value personalization are the key traits of millennial. Gen Z, the preferred devices of Gen Z are smartphone and tablets. They use the TikTok, Snapchat, and Instagram as visual communication tools. For instant messaging, they believe in quick and real-time communication, for example, Discord, DMs. They are also like short messages and memes. Key traits of Gen Zs are heavily visual, short attention span, fast learners, and trend oriented. Next, how digital consumer make decisions. Decision making is very important. The digital age has transformed the way consumers make purchasing decisions. Today, consumers have access to an abundance of information, tools, and platforms that enable them to make well-informed choices. The decision-making process of digital consumer comprises of research product online, compare prices and review, and recommendations from peers and influencers. The key activities of research product online are searching for product or services on search engine like Google, browsing through brand websites, blogs, and e-commerce platforms, for example, Amazon and Flipkart, reading product descriptions, specifications, and usage guides. Second point, which is very important in the decision making, is compare prices and review. Digital consumer compare prices on different platforms to find the best deal. They read the consumer review and rating on e-commerce websites and review platforms. Also, sometimes they explore third-party comparison on websites like PriceGrabber or Google Shopping. Review plays a vital role in the decision making. Consumers rely heavily on reviews to assess the quality, reliability, and satisfaction levels associated with a product. Both positive and negative reviews influence decision making. Third, other than this, the digital consumer seek recommendations from peers and influencers. They ask for advice from friends, family, or colleagues through social media or messaging apps. They always watch or read influencers' recommendations on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. During the decision making process, the role of influencer is also very important because influencers are seen as trusted voices due to their expertise, reliability, and authority in a specific niche. There are many factors influencing the digital decision making. The factors can be categorized as ease of access, content quality, social proof, personalization, and convenience. There are certain impact of these factors like it enable faster decisions, it enhances brand credibility, it reduces perceived risk, it increases consumer loyalty, it improves user experience. Next, we will discuss about the role of reviews and social proofs in decision making. In the digital age, consumers often rely on reviews and social proofs to make purchasing decisions. Reviews, testimonials, and influencer endorsement create trust and credibility, shaping how people perceive a product or service. Statistics highlight their growing importance. 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. Influencers play a significant role in driving purchase decisions. So, we will discuss what is a social proof. Social proof is the psychological phenomena where individuals look to others' behavior, opinion, or experiences to guide their own decisions. In the digital landscape, this includes reviews and rating on e-commerce platform, testimonial from satisfied customers, recommendations from influencers or experts, engagement matrices likes, share, and comment on social media. Importance of reviews. Reviews serve as a key form of social proof and provide critical insights for consumers. Before finalizing any purchase, digital consumer always read the reviews given by previous customers. There are few types of reviews. The first one is customer review, second is expert review, and the last one is video reviews. Why reviews matters? Through the review, consumers perceive genuine reviews as credible and authentic. Reviews reveal both the strengths and weaknesses of a product. It gives the positive review improve confidence, while negative review can deter purchases. They help customers compare products and narrow choices. As per the key statistics, 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. 49% of consumers needs at least a 4-star rating before making a purchase. 70% of customers read 1 to 6 reviews before forming an opinion about a product. Role of influencers in the driving decisions. Influencers are individuals with a dedicated following on social media who impact their audience's purchasing behavior. The types of influencers can be defined as the first one is micro influencers are the influencer those are having a large number of followers. They are ideal for brand awareness. Second one is micro influencers. Micro influencers are the influencers those are having smaller followers. They are having 1000 to 1 lakh followers, but they are more personal and authentic. And the last one is nano influencers is the third category of influencers. Nano influencer is the third category of influencers. They are having approximately 1000 followers. They are extremely close and trusted connections with their audience. Next, we will discuss about the rise of personalization in digital consumer behavior. In the digital age, consumers expect tailored expectations. In the digital age, consumers expect tailored experiences that cater to their individual preferences and needs. Personalization has become a cornerstone of marketing and user engagement strategies driven by advancement in technology and data analytics. Key aspect of personalization Key aspect of personalization include personalized recommendations, targeted advertising, and custom shopping experiences. What is personalization? Personalization involves customizing experiences, product, and services based on individual consumer data. Next, we will discuss about the key aspect of personalization. The first one is personalized recommendation is the first and foremost key aspect of personalization. Personalized recommendation means suggesting products, services, or content based on a consumer preferences or past behavior. For example, e-commerce platforms like Amazon recommending products customers who bought this also bought. Streaming services like Netflix suggesting shows based on viewing history. Music app like Spotify creating curated playlists such as Discovery Weekly. Technology support can be taken for this key aspect like machine learning, AI algorithm, and collaborative filtering are very important to generate the recommendations. Second is targeted advertising in the second key aspect of personalization. Targeted advertising is the second key aspect of personalization. Targeted advertising means delivering advertisement tailored to an individual's demographic, interest, and online activity. For example, Facebook and Instagram ads based on users' likes, follows, and browsing habits. Google Ads displaying content related to recent search queries. Retargeting ads showing products a user viewed but did not purchase. Next one is custom shopping experiences is the third key aspect of personalization. Custom shopping experiences means creating a tailored shopping journey for each consumer, both online or offline. Example, online stores offer personalized homepage featuring products based on browsing history. Consumers are getting exclusive discount and rewards based on purchase behavior. Next is what is the impact of custom shopping experiences? Basically, it increases consumer satisfaction and reduces cart abandonment. It strengthens brand loyalty by making consumer feel special. Next, we will discuss about the role of technology in personalization. Technology plays a vital role in the personalization, like we can use data analytics to collect and analyze customer data from multiple touchpoints, for example, websites, apps, social media, and it can provide insights into consumer preferences and behavior. Second, we can use artificial intelligence to answer the query of consumer, or AI can be used in chatbots or doing the predictive analytics. Third one is machine learning. It can be used in personalization. ML continuously improves personalization algorithm based on new data. Next is customer relationship management tools. It is very important, which integrates data from various sources to create detailed customer profiles and helps businesses track and predict customer needs. Lastly, we will discuss about the challenges in personalization. The challenges can be defined as privacy, over personalization, data silos, Cost and complexity is also very important as far as challenges of personalization is concerned. Learning outcome. Upon the successful completion of the topic, student will be able to explain the fundamental concept and theories of consumer behavior in digital environment. Analyze the impact of digital transformation on consumer preferences and purchasing behaviors. Utilize data analytics tools to interpret digital consumer insights and trends effectively. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the use of following digital challenge by digital consumers. First one is e-commerce platform, for example, Amazon and Flipkart. Second is social media, for example, Instagram, TikTok. Third is app, brand specific multi-vendors. Thank you.